Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to uh, get GoPro footage onto your PC. So we have two options. You can use basically three options. We can use SD card adapter, uh, you can use USB cable or quick desktop app. So we will focus today on USB cable if you don't have SD card adapter or you don't use quick desktop app. So yeah, what we are need is USB cable, USB to USB-C, and what you're going to do is take your GoPro camera, turned on, and at the side where you open for battery, open that doors and you will see USB-C. So what you need to do next is just plug it in. On the screen of your GoPro it will show USB connected, and it will open up here the basically file explorer right here. Alright, now as you can see we see GoPro MTP client disk volume. So if you click on it, then you can go to DCIM 100 GoPro is a file where they are saved, those videos that you took with your GoPro. Now what you need to do is just simply select those files. You can copy it, you can cut it here and paste wherever you want. So let's make an example here. So I will cut this video and paste it right over here, just like that. And now you see that it's moving from GoPro to my videos file. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.